Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image in Notion. Adding images in Notion is quick and simple. And there are a few different ways to do it depending on where your image is coming from. Whether you want to upload a file from your computer, insert an image from the web, or use a free stock photo, Notion gives you built-in options for each one. To get started, open the Notion page where you want your image to appear. Move your mouse over a new blank line on the page and you'll see a small plus icon appear in the left margin. Click that plus icon to open the block menu. If you prefer a faster method, you can also type /image on a new line and then press enter. Both options take you to the same image insert menu, so you can use whichever feels more natural. Once the menu appears, you'll see three main choices for adding your image. The first option is upload. This is the best choice if the image is saved on your computer. Click upload, then browse through your files and select the image you want to add. After you choose the file, Notion will place it directly into your page. This is useful for screenshots, photos, graphics, or any image you already have downloaded. If you are organizing documents or building a visual workspace, this is often the most straightforward option. The second option is embed link. Use this when your image is hosted online and you want to insert it using its web address. Click embed link, then paste the image URL into the field provided. Notion will pull that image into the page using the link. This can be helpful if the image already exists on a website and you don't need to save a separate copy to your device first. The third option is Unsplash. This lets you search for free stock images without leaving Notion. Click Unsplash. Type in a keyword related to the kind of image you want and then browse the results. When you find one you like, select it and Notion will add it to your page. This is especially useful if you want to make a page look more polished or add a visual header without creating your own image. That's all it takes to upload or insert an image in Notion. Just open the image menu from a new line. Choose Upload, Embed Link, or Unsplash, and then follow the option that matches your needs. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast part of your workflow.